Pfizer says its booster neutralizes the Omicron variant of COVID-19. It released preliminary lab studies this morning. Scientists found that 2 doses of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine don't give sufficient protection against the Omicron strain, but they found 3 doses greatly improves protection against it.
Our data show convincingly when you get your boost, the 3rd boost, the antibody level rise 25-fold and are now similar to the originally 2-dose boost that protected well against ancestral strains as well as Delta.
Pfizer and BioNTech are now developing a specific vaccine for Omicron. It is expected to be available by March. This news comes as that variant spreads across the country.
And scientists worry it could become the dominant one. Fox's Mike Emanuel has more on this new front in the war on COVID-19 and a new mandate.
It was inevitable, but it's also a very big concern.
Folks across the country are gearing up for a possible new COVID surge as the Omicron variant spreads quickly. It's now been detected in at least 19 states and could be the dominant strain in the U.S. as early as next month. Omicron is the most contagious COVID variant we've seen so far, and we won't have a full picture about how it spreads for at least another week. But health officials say early data shows the vaccines are still effective, and they're making a big push to get everyone to roll up their sleeves for boosters as soon as possible.
We must act in this moment to mobilize together to do what we know works. We have months of study on Delta, and all of those data demonstrate that vaccines work.
The new strain is hitting just as COVID cases are spiking in more than 24 states. We're averaging more than 118,000 new infections every day, the highest number since early October, as cold weather drives more people to gather indoors. Local officials are now putting new mitigation efforts in place, including a vaccine mandate for all private businesses and employees in New York City. Some workers there say it's long overdue, while others claim the mandate is politically motivated.
Unless we get everybody vaccinated, mandated, we're going to start all over again.
People have to have choice. Why is he doing it now? I mean, because he wants to run for president?
The New York mandate comes after a federal judge blocked a nationwide mandate for businesses with more than 100 people. In Washington, Mike Emanuel, Fox News.